So my kids are playing at the neighbor's house and my baby is napping. So I'm like, let's do some food prep. Let's make do with what's in the house. Pulled out, I think, all the food I'm gonna use. 8 eggs. Have the teeniest bit of heavy cream left, so let's get rid of this ham. Two more eggs. And instead of egg whites, we're gonna do a frittata. Just got in a fight with my pans. My dishwasher's talking. Spread it all out. I hope this comes out okay. Cause I'm really hoping my kids will eat carrots for breakfast. If it tastes good enough. Everything bagel seasoning. Everything bagel seasoning makes everything better. In the oven, 375, probably like 30 minutes. The next thing I'm going for is the lazy lasagna because I've had this open box of no-bake lasagna noodles for like a month and it's bothering me. Let's start with chopping some garlic and onion. Let's take her over. It's not hot enough yet, but it's fine. Okay, the onions are cooking and at the same time, got butter melting. And we're gonna toast up some quinoa. I have no idea how much that is, but we're gonna do like a quinoa salad to prep for lunches for the week. Into the onions and garlic, about 1.5 pounds of meat into it. It's just gonna go in the garbage. Mash her up. Some broth. Been in the fridge, so it's like a little skeleton, but whatever. So while that's cooking, I'm gonna do the veggies that are gonna go in the quinoa salad. Artichoke hearts. And I'm gonna leave the juice because it's probably got some yummy oil and stuff. Well, maybe I don't want all this juice. I'm gonna pour a little out. Cut these in half. Hopefully I don't cut my finger. Then I have this cucumber that my son literally he picked it and then he ate it. But I don't want to let it go to waste, so I just cut off the yucky part that he ate. It's going in the compost. Quarter it and do some nice widow triangles. And it stays in the fridge really well. Have some tomatoes, roasted red peppers, just a little. Olives. Give these olives a rough chop. So we've got artichokes, cucumber, the roasted bell peppers, and tomatoes in here. Ready to go. Meat is good. I'm gonna put some tomatoes in there. Always like a veg, so some spinach too. This is like 1.5 boxes of the lasagna noodles, the ones that are like, you don't have to cook them. Oh no, I was gonna try to chop them in the little slices. Don't do that. I'm just gonna do this. Did I add, I have never done this before, so I have zero idea how this is gonna turn out. Yes. Sauce. Chicken stock to finish it. Mix it around, cause we're winging it. I'm gonna do a little more. Mrs. Dash. Just a dash of Mrs. Dash. It's basil and parsley and oregano. It looks good. Topped with mozzarella. Locatelli. Because it is superior. Sorry, I'm not sorry. I have some fruit that needs to be eaten. I think I'm just gonna wash it and put it in a container so it's easier for them to grab throughout the week. if I put them in a clear container, maybe they'll eat them. I'm like stumped as to what to do with these dates. I'm like, do I use the strawberries with the dates or do I do it separate? And I have this coconut. I'm like wondering if I can make some like strawberry bars. I got these dates by mistake because they have pits. I wanted them to not have pits. You want one? One for you? But the kids are home. The dates in the blender.
What you making?
I don't know yet. I'm gonna just go with what my heart tells me. Coconut. Because it's been in my pantry too long. I crushed these up a while ago and it's really just a little bit. I have a few extra cashews, so I'll just throw a few in there just in case. This baby's gonna wake up soon. Blend. This is how it looks. It tastes good. Nikki's sleeping. I think I'm gonna add some oats and some more cashews. To maybe make it like a crust. Blend some more. Why do you have my strawberries? I was gonna use those.
Here, Mom.
That's the only one left? You might as well eat it. Now what am I gonna do? I didn't know what I was gonna do to begin with. Let's be honest. I have this bit of strawberry cream cheese. I might mix it with some coconut milk and powdered sugar and see if it makes like a topping.
Come here.
I can't get it. You can't get it either. Oh my God, you use your teeth?
Whatever it takes. Can't never could do nothing.
It's too runny. I give up making this a healthy snack because my strawberries are gone now. So heavy cream, and I'm making whipped cream in the Ninja. If you have a Ninja, I mean, look at how quickly we just made whipped cream. And I'm mixing it in with the cream cheese and coconut milk. It's spread over the top. It's gonna let it sit in the fridge for a while. Here you go. Crushing it. The eggs came out really good. 10 out of 10. Lasagna, it's not my favorite, but it does the job. Probably 6 out of 10. Quinoa, amazing. My husband ate half of it for dinner. And I'd say 8 out of 10. It would be 9 if I added feta. He's gonna get you a piece. Sit, sit. I was so overwhelmed with the kids and trying to get it done. I wasn't fully thinking. But what I should have done was make these into balls and just do like a glaze on top or something. I didn't get enough time to like set up in the fridge, but like mixing the dates and cashews, coconut, awesome crust. This tastes good. Clearly he likes it, but just not the easiest to eat like this. And I didn't really want to make it into a dessert. I wanted it to be a snack. So we'll try again. I would rate it 7 for taste. It's just not convenient to eat. Okay, bye.